welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making teriyaki chicken, so I'll show you how to do that. This is very easy to do, guys. So I have scallion here, I have a piece of ginger, and I have garlic, 1 peg of garlic. So all we need to do is just dice this up real fine. Alright, just a small piece of ginger, guys. If you have never tried this chicken, guys, you need to try it. It's very delicious, guys. So you can use your chicken breast or your deboned chicken thigh to make this chicken. This is really tasty, guys. I normally have this with white rice, but you can have it with about anything. So very small pieces, like that. Like that. So this is fine. So I'm just going to put that to the side. I have my garlic. So we're going to do the same to this. Doesn't matter how you cut them, just make sure it's dices in small pieces, guys. Like that. So guys, this is different ways that you can make your chicken. It's really delicious, guys. You can use your minced garlic if you have that, and also your minced ginger, but you can also do this that I'm doing. So just put them together like that. Then we have our scallion, just some small pieces. Not going to use all of the scallion, just a little more piece from it, like half of it. That is fine. So now I'm going to prepare my sauce. So here I have 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. I have 1 teaspoon of vinegar. So we're just going to pour that in there. And I have 2 teaspoons of sugar. And I have honey here. I also have 2 teaspoons of honey. So I'll add that there. I also have 2 teaspoons of water. I'm just going to mix that around. Then I'm going to add my ginger, my garlic, and scallion in. Make sure you mix this very well, guys. So I'm just going to add just a little bit more water, another teaspoon of water. Just a little bit more. So then we're going to add a little more water to that. And then we're going to mix everything together. So this is good, so I'm just going to set that aside. So I have my chicken breast here. So I'm just going to dice that up. So here I have my chicken breast. So I'm just going to give them thin cut like that. So now I'm going to season my chicken. You can dice your chicken however you want it. So I'm going to season it now. So here is my black pepper and salt. I use ½ spoon of each. Because remember, the soy sauce is salt already, guys. You might say, where's the rest of season? This is all that we need, just black pepper and salt. That's it. And then we're just going to mix everything together like that. And now guys, you can use cornstarch or flour. So I'm gonna add my flour. If you have cornstarch, you can go ahead and do that. I just add 1 tablespoon of flour. All right. You just mix it well. Like this. So this is good. So now I have my pan with a little bit of oil. I'm just gonna spread the oil evenly, guys. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. So the reason for the flour or this cornstarch, guys, is to give the chicken a little bit of scripts, all right? All right, so now we're gonna have the chicken. And guys, you don't want to add a lot of salt, because remember the soya sauce has salt already, guys. So we don't want to add a lot of salt. It's just a pinch of salt. All right, and I'm just gonna even them out in the pot. Like that. Just gonna leave it to fry for a little bit, and then we just turn it over. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn them now. Let's just get in the color that we want now, guys. I'm just stirring them. So this is beautiful. Now that our chicken is finished, we're gonna add our sauce and make sure the sauce is mixed properly. All right? So you mix it very well. And then we're gonna add our sauce. So we're gonna leave this until it gets thick. Because that's what we want. We need it to get very thick. So just mix it around. So we need almost all of the sauce to be drained out. Alright. We're just gonna leave it and allow it to get thick. Very lovely, guys. You need to try it. This is amazing. This tastes good. All right, so we just leave it. So we're just going to give this a turn. See, guys, it's getting its color from the nice sauce. And then leave it for all the sauce to get on the chicken. All right, this is lovely and very tasty. So I'm gonna give them a turn. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Wow. Very nice. How lovely this is. So guys, this is the end of my teriyaki chicken. Look how beautiful it is, guys, and it's really delicious. So you need to try this recipe, guys. Very easy and very tasty. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.